Good morning, everyone. Edward here once again from Editech Solutions, CEO Traflight, Attain Work, and AfriCell. Well, today I'm also going to talk about one small tool. I don't know why I call them tools, but no, I think one small solution. Let me call it a solution. Okay, basically, have you ever encountered a situation whereby you try to log into your Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, and then you happen to forget the password? And then you try numerous times, you find that the password has really gone out of your head and you have no way. And the moment you start trying to recover the password, they will ask you for maybe the date of birth, the location, the phone number you used. Sometimes most of those things people forget to keep them. They think this is a one-time thing, but when you don't keep them, this is what they'll ask you for them to be able to verify that what you want to recover is your account. Now, you have to take caution when you're opening up an email. Make sure all the credentials that you put in, at least take a print out of them, because normally after a successful creation of an account, there is a video which I've done on how to create a Gmail account. After creation of an account, there is a confirmation page that shows you everything and your email address. So these people show you this because they want you to print it and keep it somewhere safe. Because when you look at a human mind, we forget so many times. Nobody is perfect. But again, you'll one time forget your email address, which is very crucial, which is used for business, where people are reaching out to you through that mail. So if you happen to lose it for almost an hour, you're losing money. But there are very basic ways and options to avoid that. One is by having, which is the most recommended one, is by having a recovery email or a recovery phone number. It is not very easy to forget two passwords at one time unless you have a problem somehow, somewhere. You forget the password of email A and the password of email B at the same time. No, it is not common. So what we want to do now is we want to see how to set up a recovery email in Gmail. I'm going to use Gmail as my case study, but the rest, all the flow is the same. Some people will say, why do you use mostly Google products? Let me tell you, all these solutions are based to speed up life or to smoothen life of a human being. So they are all after human interaction. So even if it is Yahoo, even if it is Hotmail, I mean, it is the same. Nobody will reinvent the wheel. It is the same. I have to compose an email. I have to click on new. I have to read an email. I have to delete. I have to update. I have to edit. Same thing. So they are all solving one problem. So what is done here is the same step that you have to take and do in the other platform as well. There might be a slight change, but not so big. So let me just head straight, and we have this one practically. How to set up a recovery email in Gmail by Edward. I think I put some document down here. This is what Google says. Losing access to your emails, documents, and photos can be very frustrating. To make sure that you can get back into your account quickly, easily, and securely in the future, please add an account recovery options. You don't have to provide a recovery email address or phone. Like they're trying to mean you're not forced. It is not a requirement. It's optional. But the moment you forget, this is when you realize that it is mandatory to put a recovery email or phone number. So, but having one makes it easier for you to regain access to your account if you forget your password or are locked out. You see, this is what they try to mean with the importance of a recovery email. Now, this is our website, Editech Solutions, about us page. Let me just head to my email here. I think it is already open. And I go to forums. Yeah, no updates, I think. Which one? I don't want to show my emails, Let me open this page. So you go to this gear here, top right, here under your profile picture here. So you click on this one, you go to settings, you click on accounts and import. Then on account and import tab, we have change account settings, we have change password recovery options, other Google account settings. We shall see all this in some time to come, but today let us focus on how to set a recovery email. Now you click on the second one, which is change recovery options. Let's see. Now you'll be thrown to the Google account security dashboard. So scroll down a little bit. This particular page handles everything about you, your payment cards, your passwords, the people you're sharing with, your subscriptions, your personal info. A lot of it you can just do it, make changes from this page. But for us, I'll show you in some near future how you add this two-step verification passwords. But today we want to go to this section, ways we can verify it's you. This can be used to make sure it is really you signing in, or to reach you if there is a suspicious activity in your account. Now you see I have a recovery phone number here, and I have a recovery email here. So if I happen to forget my email password, this is my email, edtechsolutions@gmail.com. If I happen to forget this password, though I've given you so many options for not forgetting a password. I made a video on LastPass, a Chrome extension that keeps all your passwords automatically. Yeah, you can either use that one, or that one will only keep on your computer. So if you happen to log into another computer, let's say at the workplace, in an internet cafe, then this is what you have to use. So when I click on my recovery email is this, and I'm not going to change it. But once you access this page, it will be a blank, and it will be telling you to add one. When you click on it like this, it will have to bring another screen. For me, I think it is going to tell me to sign in. Yeah, I have to sign in, then get that, because they want to verify me on every stage. Let's sign in. See, this is my recovery email. Say your recovery email is used to reach you in case we detect unusual activity in your account. Okay, or you accidentally get locked out. If I click on edit, because I already have, then I'll be able to type another email here. Okay, which I don't want to change. I want that one to be my recovery email. Please let me stop this video here. I don't want it to be very long. That is how simple you set up a recovery email address. Please share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and ask more questions. Sometimes we want to hear from you. We want to check what is actually disturbing you, so we give you a solution right away. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much for your time.